Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to hide comments on Reddit. Let's start this video. Open your Reddit application, then click on your profile on the top right corner. Now click on your profile. Select comments, and over here as you can see I have given a comment, but if I want to hide it there is no such option. So if I click on these three dots option on the comment, as you can see there is no option of hide. There is an option called delete, but I don't want to delete it. I just want to hide it. So to hide it you have to go back. Now again click on your profile on the top right corner, click on settings at the bottom. Now choose account settings for you. Scroll down. Now if you uncheck this option which says allow people to follow you, so nobody will be able to follow you. And if you click on chat and messaging permissions, and over here you have to select nobody, and in direct messages you also have to select nobody. Now it means that your Reddit account is private and no one can see your comment. This is how you can hide your comment in Reddit. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.